Nono machiegni kit jopuonjre biro konyo e geng'o timbe maundu e kind jopuonjre e skunde ma pacho kaendi. Jaod bura ma Nyatike manoeri Migosi Tom Odege kane oloso e kar chung' od bura mare wacho ni medruok e masiche mag mach mamuoche skunde ikelo kod wich teko e kind jopuonjre. Oseyo jonyuolo kuom juang'o tijgi mar puonjo nyithindgi kendo koro giweyo nyithindgi mana e lwet jopuonje kende. Odege okwayo jonyuol mondo kik chun nyithindogo eko ma ok dwar dhi e skul mondo mi odhi e skul. Bende okwayo migepe mochung'ne keto arita kwe mondo okaw okang' mager ne jopuonjre kata ng'ata manigi timbe mag maundu e kor gwenge. E seche gogo seneta ma Migori manoeri Migosi Ochilo Ayako otiyo gi thuolo makamano e kwedo wach ma TSC oketo godo jopuonje ni odoge tiegruok. Okowacho ni mano ok wach noero monego kete e okang' mambele gi e seche gieki. Owacho ni ok onego ochun jopuonje gi dhi tiegruok ma ok ginyala chulo, komedo ni sirikal onego oduok piny nengo mar tiegruok makamano.
For your child who is in school is not behaving right, don't force teachers with such students. Teachers who are here, a student you are suspecting of indiscipline at this level, don't tolerate them within the population. We are going to lose infrastructure, and our parents, you know very well, currently building of schools wazazi wamewacha. This thing now we are struggling with it at CDF level, and ministry has also pronounced themselves. If your children burn a school, the ministry is not going to rebuild that school. You do it as parents. And you consider yourselves, we are very poor here. I want you to join me in urging our students, if you have to riot alongside the road, don't burn our schools. And if the police is around here, any student whose behavior is above 18, even if you are 12, let them be arrested at charge. And please, if your child is suspended from school because of indiscipline, don't come to me to talk to the school. It pains me, the investment we have given to our schools, the pain we have undergone to build our schools. Now we are doing a school there for girls. If you go to Agenga, you can see what we have done. If you cross to Kimai, you have seen what we have done. If you bring that building down today, it will take us ages to bring it back. I know you'll run away to go and seek education somewhere else, but you have killed your community.
Who are sitting somewhere, they are creating the need to pay some money so that they can use that money. We have needs in education sector, we have needs in training. Those needs should be financed so that the capacity of our teachers are enhanced in terms of their salaries, the capacity of our schools are enhanced in terms of infrastructure, but not in terms of paying for training that is not needed. Training is only needed if it is going to make a teacher better. Hao walimu wote wamefuzu kwa TTC, wamefuzu kwa university, and even Magoha himself, a known professor and who was my professor when I was doing masters, has not undergone that training. How did he know that that training is of relevance where we are in Nyakweri here? Of what relevance is that training? If there is need to train our teachers on matters ICT, to ilete zonal, to let ISO computers, and the trainings can be offered for free by government. So that we as leaders, because we are trying to protect our teachers, we allow the government to create a phantom organization to take more taxes from you. Need to introduce any curriculum, weka kwa college, weka kwa university, it becomes part of that fee. Hakuna hii kitu ya kulipa kila mwaka for 30 years. That's not allowed. Hiyo ni exploitation.